In today's video, we're going to dive into how to use Zoominfo, the ultimate platform for businesses looking to get valuable B2B data and software. Whether you're trying to connect with prospects or close deals with your ideal buyers, Zoominfo can help you make that happen. So, let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and head to zoominfo.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either log in if you already have an account, or to sign up for a free trial. If you're just checking out the platform for the first time, the free trial is a great way to explore Zoominfo's full range of features and see if it's the right fit for your business. If you're new to Zoominfo, the sign-up process is quick and easy. You'll be asked to provide some basic information to create your account. Here's what you'll need to fill out. Full name. Make sure to enter your first and last name as it will appear on your account. Business email. This should be your work email address, as Zoominfo is designed for professional use. Phone number. Enter your contact number so Zoominfo can reach out if necessary. Job title. Zoominfo asks for your job title to personalize your experience and provide relevant tools and resources based on your role. After you've filled in these details, simply hit the Submit button. Once your information is processed, you'll be granted access to your very own Zoominfo dashboard. The interface is user-friendly, and within minutes, you'll be ready to dive into researching leads, discovering business insights, and using Zoominfo's vast database to enhance your sales and marketing strategies. With everything set up, you can start taking full advantage of the platform's powerful tools. Whether you're looking to refine your lead generation, identify key decision makers in organizations, or build a targeted list of potential clients, Zoominfo gives you all the resources you need to succeed. Ready to explore more? Before diving into all the powerful tools and features Zoominfo has to offer, let's quickly review the different pricing plans available. Zoominfo provides several packages to suit the unique needs of businesses across various industries. The main packages include sales, marketing, talent, and operations. Each of these plans is tailored to specific business functions. Whether you're focused on sales, marketing, recruitment, or operations, Zoominfo offers solutions that cater to your specific needs. Zoominfo's plans are divided into 3 tiers: professional, advanced, and elite. Here's a closer look at each plan. Sales. This plan is ideal for sales teams who need to find leads, track prospects, and close deals efficiently. It offers access to accurate contact data, lead generation tools, direct dial numbers, and even website visitor tracking, giving your sales team the insights they need to convert more prospects into customers. Marketing. Tailored for marketing teams, this plan provides tools for running targeted email campaigns, reaching out to prospects, and accessing buyer intent data. It helps you craft personalized marketing strategies that resonate with your audience and drive engagement. Talent. If you're in recruitment or talent acquisition, this package is designed to help you source the best candidates. With deep talent insights and candidate profiles, you can make more informed hiring decisions. Operations. Aimed at operations teams, this package provides tools for managing and collecting business data to help streamline your company's internal processes. It ensures that all business operations run smoothly and efficiently. The pricing for these plans varies based on the size of your team and your business needs. To get a precise price, simply log in and customize your plan. You'll be able to choose the features that matter most to your team, and Zoominfo will provide a tailored quote. This flexibility ensures you're only paying for what you need, and can scale as your business grows. Now that you've chosen your plan, Let's take a deeper look at each of Zoominfo's options and how they can benefit your team and business. Sales is a powerhouse for sales teams looking to generate leads, track opportunities, and close deals with greater efficiency. It leverages data-driven insights and buying signals to help you find and engage with the most promising prospects. Sales gives you access to an extensive B2B database with up-to-date contact details, company profiles, and emails, enabling your team to target prospects with accuracy. This tool allows you to monitor leads throughout their life cycle, keeping track of key activities like meetings, calls, and other touchpoints to ensure no opportunity is missed. Email marketing. Easily create and send email campaigns directly within Zoominfo. With customizable templates and targeting options, you can engage your leads and prospects efficiently. Zoominfo integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party platforms such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, and others. This ensures that your sales and marketing efforts remain synchronized, helping you drive better results across your stack. With sales, new leads are automatically enriched with valuable data to ensure your CRM is always up to date. By capturing and standardizing information, you can streamline the process of building stronger customer relationships. Sales doesn't just track your leads. It allows you to automate your workflows, manage tasks, and gain detailed insights into every interaction. This means your team can focus on building relationships and closing sales rather than manually tracking data or sifting through unorganized lead lists. The result is a more streamlined, efficient, and profitable sales pipeline. Marketing is a powerful tool designed to help marketing teams create targeted campaigns and engage prospects more effectively. It provides a suite of features that enable you to fine-tune your marketing efforts, optimize outreach, and track prospect activity. The intuitive drag-and-drop email campaign builder lets you easily design personalized email campaigns without needing any coding skills. You can choose from pre-designed templates or create your own, and customize everything from the text to images, ensuring your campaign aligns with your brand's messaging and style. Marketing allows you to target prospects who are already showing intent to purchase. Engage with website visitors instantly using automated chatbots. These bots can answer questions, collect information, and guide prospects through the sales funnel. Track and monitor which companies and individuals are visiting your website, along with what specific pages they are interested in. This allows you to gain insights into their behavior and tailor your follow-up communications accordingly, enhancing the chances of conversion. Marketing integrates effortlessly with several popular marketing platforms like Google Ads, HubSpot, and social media channels, ensuring all your marketing efforts are synchronized. With these features, marketing empowers your team to create, manage, and monitor campaigns more effectively. Whether you're targeting new leads, re-engaging past customers, or nurturing prospects, this platform allows you to do it all from one centralized dashboard. By streamlining your marketing processes, you can focus on crafting messages that resonate and converting leads into loyal customers. Talent is specifically designed for recruitment teams, providing powerful tools to help you find, engage, and hire top talent quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Talent streamlines your recruitment process and helps you build a strong talent pipeline with ease. This feature gives you access to in-depth data about potential candidates, including their background, skills, job history, and even their current work preferences. It also provides insights into the companies candidates have worked for, which can help you understand their fit within your organization. With this comprehensive information, you can easily identify the best candidates who match your requirements, ensuring a more targeted and effective recruitment strategy. Talent simplifies the recruitment process by automating several key tasks, from sourcing candidates to sending outreach emails. You can set up automated workflows for screening candidates, scheduling interviews, and even sending follow-up messages. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency in your outreach, helping to keep candidates engaged throughout the hiring process. Talent allows you to filter candidates by specific criteria such as skills, experience, location, and availability, enabling you to quickly narrow down the pool of applicants. This makes it easier to find the right person for each job, without wasting time on candidates who don't meet the necessary qualifications. Pipeline management. Managing multiple candidates and job openings can be overwhelming, but Talent allows you to build a recruitment pipeline to track each candidate's progress. You can visualize where each candidate is in the hiring process, making it easier to move them along to the next stage, whether that's scheduling interviews or extending an offer. Talent also provides tools to help you engage with candidates more effectively. You can send personalized emails, schedule interviews, and even set up automated reminders for follow-ups. This level of engagement helps keep candidates interested in your open positions and improves the overall candidate experience. With Talent, you can dramatically reduce the time spent on manual tasks, increase your chances of finding the right fit, and ensure a smoother recruitment process from start to finish. Whether you're hiring for a single role or multiple positions, this tool can help you manage it all, making the hiring process more efficient and effective. By leveraging powerful data insights and automation, you can build a high-performing team faster and more confidently. Operations is a powerful platform designed to help businesses manage and optimize their operational data. With its suite of tools, Operations helps you collect, analyze, and leverage data to streamline your business processes and make informed, data-driven decisions. Whether you're looking to improve your internal workflows or gain insights into your business performance, Operations provides everything you need. One of the standout features of Operations is its ability to seamlessly integrate with various systems such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Snowflake, and other data platforms. Operations allows you to automate time-consuming tasks and workflows. You can set up automated processes for everything from data entry to report generation. With Operations, you gain access to comprehensive company data, contact information, and other essential business metrics. This includes financial data, sales performance, marketing campaign insights, and more. Operations helps you get a complete picture of your business performance and make data-driven decisions. One of Zoominfo's standout features is its predictive modeling. It can help you find your ideal customer profile, ICP, by analyzing historical data and predicting which companies are most likely to convert. You can manually create your ICP or let Zoominfo's AI generate one for you. This makes it easier to focus on the best prospects and save time. There's also digital advertising to increase visibility for your business and engage potential customers on different platforms.